Yo, welcome to Zim All Access. It's your girl D Black, and I'm with Miss Thunder. Yo, holla.
Yo, Miss T, what's up?
I'm G.
Hey, everybody,
Yo.
what's up?
So, you've been a bit quiet. Is it?
It might seem.
No, socially network. Just a little bit.
Yeah?
But tell us what's cooking.
Okay, yeah, just to get back to what Miss T was saying, it's, it may appear like I'm quiet, but I was like a duck. You know a duck?
Uh-huh.
A duck is very calm when you look at it and on the surface of the water.
Yeah.
But under it, it's pedaling.
Yeah.
It's pedaling and working. So I've been working a lot. The past 3 years have been really amazing. They've been very challenging in my growth, spiritually, mentally, physically, and even in my career. So I've grown, and there's so much music that's happening, coming out of me. I got a second album out now, guys, and it's gonna be coming out very soon, and it's called Music and I. So yeah, Misty, and there's so many more things happening. I'm also working on a television program. It's called The Lost Songs of Yaya and Yaya. For Zimbabwe and the world, it's amazing. It's for the kids, educating, very informative, and it's very broad and very
like
so
that.
much fun. So
I like
yeah, and so many projects. Like right now, we're also working on this project. Like you know, Misty, the Kwaito festival. I'm one of the Zimbabwean artists who's representing Zimbabwe.
Zim stand up.
Zim stand up. You know, we rise tall because we're strong like that. Yeah. There's so much. You know, if I name everything that's going on in Mova Martin, but it's by God's grace. So much is happening. Yes, videos are coming out. Got a lot of videos coming up. I've got an amazing album coming up. I think I'm gonna ask Miss D to ask more questions.
Yo, I love her energy. Yo. I'm feeding off of it. Like I can just chill.
Yeah, I can
all day.
feel up. Yeah,
You know,
Miss D is cool too.
Like this is how I met her 6 years back. And she
Yeah,
still
true.
got it going on. I love that. She's got an album that's coming out. We ain't gonna disclose names. She got this one.
Yeah, we got that to lock. Not me, but the Most High. To tend the Most High. To go and to Simba, and we give glory as well. And yo, big up Zim All Access because they're the baddest, and you must remember that always. Yeah, big up Zimbabwe. You know we set things proper because of the Most High. Yeah, blessed love.
Peace.
Yo. Well, I'm not afraid of these feelings that keep burning inside. I'm not afraid, cause desire got me flying high. And I found myself, I look truth in the eye. My heart won't rest until the moment is mine. Yeah, man, you better know we Lady Tanda Richardson. Yeah, man, Child. Respect Zimbabwe, big up Zim All Access. Yo, big up to Miss D, you know. Bless.
Yeah,